Okay, so in this video I want to talk about a couple of trades, just reviewing them. The first one is silver against the euro. So I'm deciding to hold this position at the moment. So I do have quite a bit of risk on it, 3.17%. But the technicals look good, although the intermarket signals seem to be quite mixed in terms of if it's risk on or risk off. I think silver against the euro is still looking pretty attractive. Silver in general is fairly strong against the other currencies, considering there's been a fair bit of risk on. That was against the Australian dollar, now it's against the US dollar. And let's have a look at it against the yen. Yep, that looks quite bullish. Oh, can't look at it against the Swiss franc. So yeah, it is looking pretty good. And if you compare it to gold silver ratio is breaking down, indicating that silver is outperforming gold. So it's looking pretty good, but I do have a price alert at 16.33 to sell a leg if it touches that point. The next trade I want to talk about is the long silver against Australian dollar position. So really it doesn't look bearish to me yet, so there's no real sell signal. And I'm just looking to potentially sell it at 26.5. So I've set a price alert just in case it does get to that level. I think that would signal potentially something to be worried about. Now, lastly, looking at the silver against the gold against the Hong Kong dollar position. I'm looking to hold it for now, noting that the technicals don't look as good as it does with silver against the Australian dollar and the euro. Once again, intermarket signals are fairly mixed, and gold is generally acting weaker than silver at the moment. So I've set a price alert at 11,750 to potentially sell a piece. One more thing, if you look at what's going on with the S&P 500, you can tell that there's been a fair bit of risk on in the past 5 days. So that's a 4% increase. But if you look at what's happened with gold in the past 5 days, it has only fallen around 2%ish. That kind of indicates to me that risk risk on should be bad for gold against the Hong Kong dollar, but it's hasn't been as bad as you might expect, and the price is still acting quite strong. So that's why I'm still looking to hold the position, but I'm definitely putting in price alerts now to start selling out of some of these precious metal positions just to protect my profits, and just be wary of the positions moving against me. So thank you for listening.